Tens of thousands of dreamers breathing easier tonight after a Supreme Court decision not to review a federal case involving DACA. 10 News reporter Anthony Pura spoke with the local woman involved in this major legal battle.
That's right. She told me she never thought that she'd be involved in a federal case like this. And she says that Supreme Court decision today really removed some of the urgency, at least some of the urgency surrounding that March 5th deadline that we keep hearing so much about, but dreamers not in the clear yet. It was the break many dreamers had hoped for. The Supreme Court declined to hear the White House's request to end DACA quickly. The move buys tens of thousands of DACA recipients more time.
Everyone is celebrating today. Today's a really good day.
Immigration attorney Dulce Garcia is a dreamer and one of 6 plaintiffs named in the federal lawsuit.
The Supreme Court's doing the right thing. So I didn't say it with many words, but we know no one's above the law. There is a process to everything.
Esther Valdez, an immigration attorney and a Republican, says there was no surprises from the Supreme Court today.
It was procedural decision by the Supreme Court. They were saying, let it go back to where it was filed, let them make a decision, and then if it goes back to the Supreme Court, they may issue it.
While it won't allow for new DACA applicants, she says it benefits tens of thousands of DACA recipients with permits expiring soon.
Everybody who has 4 to 5 months left on their work permit, they can now renew.
The decision only kicking the bucket down the road, but it has bought Washington more time to find a permanent solution.
People will become deportable, and this administration tells us to be afraid if you are deportable. So this doesn't fix anything in the long run. We still need protection in place. We deserve a Clean Dream Act.
But also something else to explore is the president himself could make an executive order and expand or extend DACA to include other types of provisions that we haven't envisioned to protect. And he has expressed the fact that he has a soft heart towards the DACA recipients.
And Garcia also tells me that DACA recipients with expired permits are still at risk of deportation while they wait for their renewal permits, and also that this case will now go to the 9th Circuit Court of Appeals. No timeline on when it will be reviewed. Reporting live tonight, Anthony Pura, 10 News.